What's up guys, it's Jesse. Welcome to Brick Design. Today I'm going to show you how to build this foosball table. That's what we call it here in the States. You may call it table football or table soccer, but let me know what you do call it down in the comments below. I thought it would be really fun to make this as detailed as possible, so I included the minifigure hands as the little players, and I wanted to make it realistic with the color scheme and everything, but definitely feel free to change up the colors, have fun with it, and make it your own. Hope you enjoy this video. I'm super excited to share something with you guys. I will be doing a video every single day this month of June, so 30 builds in 30 days, and I'm super excited. So I hope you guys join me along for the ride. There'll be a small quick build every single day. As always, comment, say hi, let me know what you want to see me build, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys every day this month.